In this video, we are going to look at how to write a VLOOKUP formula to extract a data from a data source or from a data range. For this example, I have created a data range from B3 to C8, and E3 will be the input cell, and we are going to write the formula in F3. As we write the formula, you would see a tooltip coming in with the full name or the VLOOKUP text. You can double click on it, or you can use the tab key to complete it. And you will also see a tooltip with the syntax, and it gives you the parameters. The first one is the lookup value, which is nothing but your input cell. In this case, it's E3, and comma, it's going to ask for the table of array or the data range. For us, it's going to be B3 to C8, and it's always a good practice to freeze the range. And as I did mention below, when you make a reference, this column or the reference column has to be on the extreme left. It cannot be somewhere in the middle. And we are going to extract the second column as the result. So it's 2. And the other one is, are we going to look at the exact match or the appropriate match? So in this example, we are going to look at the exact match. I'm going to double click on it and close the bracket. Now we have the answer coming up. I could also change this input, and based on the input, the output will also change. And one other interesting fact is that instead of false, we could also use a 0. 0 or false, both will give you the same results. And I can play around with that, and it gives me the correct results.